We're gonna jump right in with Maniology. As always, they send free stickers. It's a really awesome sticker. I love this one so much. I got some plates. They're always having really awesome sales. So I caught a couple of the plates that were in my wish list on sale for like $5. So this is a Mani by Me plate. It is MXM062. And it's a layering Western desert style Western kind of town. I love that it says howdy and y'all. That's where I'm from. In Kentucky, we say y'all all the time and howdy. I love this one so much. I can't wait to use that one. So I had this on my wish list for a while. This is M583. And this has a bunch of chickens on it. I believe this one's called Hen House. Layering images. Really cute stuff. It reminded me of Nanny. I don't know if I said that yet. But my nanny loved chickens. She had all kinds of chicken like decor in her home and stuff. Love chickens. So I had to get this one. Yes. So cute. The little baby chicks on there. The little hen house. Like, I like the little layering. Look at the little feet prints. Super duper cute. Love this too. I got this in the sale, the calcium rich milk base coat. This has been in my wish list for a while. It's a milky white polish. You can see it's sheer, but it's supposed to be like that. And it's supposed to be a base coat, but I'm not going to use it like that. I'm going to use it for like milk bath nails, and I'm going to use it for glitter layering to make my own Corellis. I'm super excited about that. Then this plate was not on sale, but I wanted it for 4th of July. And it is M503. And I really, really love this layering heart image. And the American flag with the flower. Happy birthday, America. Fireworks. I really love some of these French designs. There's a lot of, see, even this like flag image there. This is a layered image, I believe. So yeah, I'm really, really loving these plates. 20% off sale for like Boo in June. So I did grab two that have been on my wish list for some time now. M314, which is got a bunch of different bones on here. I love this image here. So I can't wait to use that. There's skulls and just a variety of different bones. I think this is kind of cool too. There's like a rib cage with some skeleton hands. Animal bones. There's a spine. Look at the cute kitty. M315. Oh, these came out literally at the same time. But this one, I remember the name is Paranormal Activity, I believe. And it's got all these different ghosts on it. You can put all these different faces on them. There's doorways and windows you can put them in. A swing, which I think is pretty cute. And ghouls just want to have fun. These plates are going to be really fun for Halloween. I'm going to show this kind of quickly. But I did get their Mani by Me box, except this past month I got the Express kit. So you get the little baggie, you get the cards, and it was tie-dye. It also reminded me of my nanny. I didn't like the polishes, so I got the Express kit. The free gift is a stamper and a scraper. I have this beautiful tie-dye large card. Love that. Double-ended stamper. There we go. Two plates. MXM177. And these are layered tie-dye images, which is really, really cool. And then some individually designs that you could also layer and do whatever you want with as well. This one's my favorite of the two, MXM178. I love the spiral layered design, the hearts, the stars. How cute. And then I got this plate here. It's called Winged Creatures. It is Maniology M369, different types of moths. It looks like there's some butterflies at the top, and there's different kind of wings, and there's some larger moths here. I wanted this plate for this moth here, and it is Death's Head Hawk Moth. This is the moth that you see if you've ever played Silent Hill 2. So I want to do a Silent Hill themed manicure, and I'm excited to use the other images as well. But this one in particular, love, love, love. I can't wait to use that. But that's the moth that's most shown in Silent Hill 2. Moths are always usually a big part of the games at some point, a reference or something. And they're also in the Return to Silent Hill movie. Super excited for the moth there. So let's move on. Walmart, I needed to re-up on some of my nail supplies. I needed a new bottle of the Onyx 100% acetone remover. 16 fluid ounces. This was $3.48. So I picked up one of these for my nail art stamping plates. And I also needed the Equate Advanced Nail Polish Remover in the lavender scent. This is for natural nails. It's 16 fluid ounces, and this was $2.98. So now I'm stocked back up on my nail polish removers. Those are my two favorites. Then I needed to re-up on one of my favorite top coats. I love the LA Colors Plumping Gel-like top coat. These are $2.24 at Walmart. This top coat, I've done a full review on it. I'm going to link it in the cards. It's amazing. I personally love this top coat. It actually does look gel-like and plumping. So I highly recommend this one. I also needed another essential item, which is the LA Colors. This is their Color Craze nail polish in 402. The shade is called Energy Source, and it is a basic white cream nail polish. Not only do I use white and black a lot in backgrounds, but a lot in nail art. I've been using a lot of white polish, so I just needed to re-up. This one was 98 cents. And now on to Amazon. I've been searching for a purple lipstick. Really got back into wanting to do like dark, vampy, gothic, kind of inspired makeup looks. So here we are. I decided after doing some research that this is a pretty purple plummy shade, really dark and vampy. The Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. I've never tried this before. I did purchase this on Amazon through the Revlon store. This was $5.42 with free shipping. And some of these lip shades are only $1.50 on the Revlon store right now. So that's pretty cool. This one's called 036 Royal Amethyst. And it's just so pretty here. But it's got this really nice teardroppy applicator. It is really plum-like, so it's got some red in there. There is so many beautiful shades in this formula. So basically, this will dry down like a matte formula, but it stays kind of glossy. But it stays like a matte formula. It's a satin formula, but it's an ink. Like, I'm so excited for this. And this is the first one I ordered. So after getting this one, I couldn't help it, but I had to order some more beautiful, vampy, gothic, kind of inspired lip colors. I actually ordered 3 more. And this is the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. This one's in the number 24 Perfect Storm. This one is a beautiful gray. It looks, well, it's a taupey gray, and it's like this purplish gray. So it looks totally different on the lips than it does in the package. But I wanted some more vampy, gothic, kind of lip shades. So that's what I was going for. They're varied prices because some of them are still currently in rotation and some of the shades that I ordered are not in rotation anymore. So like not currently available to buy at Walmart, but you can still buy them on Amazon. This is a really neat, long-lasting formula. Glossy finish, but has the staying power like the matte lipstick. Really cool. Continuing on with these vampy shades. I like this formula so much I needed all the vampy shades. I live for vampy shades, so I got the Color Stay Satin Ink from Revlon in number 22. This one is Black Cherry, and it is, just as it suggests, a black cherry lip color. Exactly like a black cherry on the lips. It's so pretty. I love this one. So this one here is absolutely stunning. I've been on the hunt for a purple, which is what started the hunt, but I was looking for more of a purple, and this one is number 23, and it's called Up All Night, and this is more like a true purple. It's so pretty. It's so dark and sultry and just beautiful. I love it. So yeah. So those are all 4 shades that I picked up from the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. These are stunning. And see, this Black Cherry is very similar to Royal Amethyst, but you can see that there is a difference. But those are all the shades that I have, and I have them all swatched together, and I also have lip swatches. And one item from Ulta. Morphe. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is 6 rich and electric shades to blend in a flash. I got the shade Rich Glitch. Look how cute the packaging is. This was $16, by the way. It does have a mirror with it. Has a little instruction card. And here are the shades. And these are like molten lava shades, I think is what they call them. I'm not entirely sure, but you can use them alone or you can use them as toppers. You can use them wet and dry. There's another metallic-y shimmery shade, 2 mattes, and this is like a satin because it has a slight sheen shimmer to it. But I just thought these were absolutely stunning. It's Luna. But I just thought they were absolutely stunning. Beautiful, cool tone, taupey, neutral palette. It's very, very beautiful. Can't wait to play with this. That is everything I have to share with you today in this collective haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you will try some of these products out for yourselves. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.